Iron Man films. Iron Man is a 2008 American superhero film based on the Marvel Comics character of the same name. Directed by Jon Favreau, the film stars Robert Downey Jr. as Tony Stark, Paltrow plays his personal assistant Pepper Potts, Terrence Howard plays military relations, James Rodas and Jeff Bridges play Stark industry executives Odin Stein. The plot: Tony Stark is a complete playboy who is also an engineer genius. During a demonstration of a missile in Afghanistan, is captured and hooded. His captors want him to build a missile for them, but actually creating is an armor and a way to prevent his death from the wounds in his chest suffered during the attack. After escaping, he returns to the USA to announce that his company will stop producing weapons and start working on a more sophisticated armor, only to find that Odin Stein, his second in command at Stark Industries, has been selling weapons to insurgents. Tony used his new suit to return to Afghanistan to destroy the arms and then to stop Stein from selling its technology. Thanks.